Some settle for great. We aim for incredible. At MediaTek, delivering the incredible keeps us inspired. We powered millions of 5G devices with MediaTek Dimensity and equipped smartphones with premium chipsets to give everyone the experience they deserved. We may lead the conversation on the future of technology, but with humanity poised to make the next big leap, we need to keep rising to incredible. The world is ready for our flagship, MediaTek Dimensity 9000. Packed with industry-leading computing power, gaming technology, camera, and our most advanced 5G modem, it's everything a smartphone needs and more. There's so much Dimensity 9000 can do, there's really nothing you can't do.